Hey, what's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you a trick that you can use using the FabFilter Pro Q. It's basically EQ gain staging. So I'm going to leave this open. Gain staging is better explained with a limiter. So the idea is that louder things sound better. And you can easily go overboard. If you boost the gain of a limiter, it'll sound better because it's louder. This is how our ears work. So gain staging basically means as you increase the gain driving into the limiter, the output is reduced by an equal amount. So that way you have a better gauge on what the limiter is actually doing to your audio, whether or not it sounds, louder, right? It's just a better way of going about it. And I have a video on this. If you go to my couple previous videos, I did this. So the idea with turn that, yeah, I did. So the idea with EQing is you're more prone to boosting signals than taking them away, because if you kind of carve out a little bit of the bass, the track will sound weaker because you're lowering the volume of a particular part and bringing the overall volume down. So a really cool way to combat this is with the auto gain feature, which is this little A here. So if you hit this A, very Canadian button, and you boost the gain, the volume will go down. If you reduce this, the volume will go up. So it kind of compensates that. Because remember, louder things and more energy in particular frequencies will always sound better, but it's not always what sounds the best, right? It's not what your track could be. It's kind of your ears having like a bias that, you shouldn't entertain. So I'll give you an example. All right, so we're reducing that quite a bit. That's by far more quieter. Right, and even when you get to the bass, this is what I've kind of been doing because I like a big strong bass, but then I kind of comb it out and the bass gets weaker, but that's only relative to the rest of the track. That's only my perception. So to get over it, I have the A button. I'll give you a little bit of the drop. Right, I'm sweeping the low end there, but if I have that off, the entire energy of the track perceivably goes away. Right, be careful with it. Know that you have it on. You have to be more careful because it might throw your ears off. You'd be like, whoa, what the heck is going on here? I move one thing and everything else moves. That's what it kind of sounds like to me. But if you take it slow, it will help you kind of, carve out your tracks and make them sound the best they can be. Anyway, I hope you learned stuff. Take care and have a good one.